What?
As I was talking about it, here he is, my boy. Let's go.
Today, me and my homie Caesar are opening 2 of the new Blooming Waters Premium Collection boxes. We got these on January 17th on the restock, and some people were for real throwing hands just to get a chance at getting these boxes for MSRP at Costco. Now, my homie and I are full-time workers, so obviously we did not stand a chance against these spawn camping goblins at getting them for MSRP, just like many others that day. And man, it's just been so dry everywhere. We go to Target, Walmart, Costco, and you can't even find a single pack. But our local card shop had them for $120 each, which is double MSRP, but we bit the bullet and got 1 each. Anyways, here's the opening. Leave your thoughts on this crazy hype in the comments. Enough talking for me, and I hope you enjoy.
So here we are, bro. 151. It's actually insane. We just got our work, so my hands are chilled. First pack of the day. First pack in a while, actually. I don't do no tricks, bro.
No tricks.
Metapod, Ponyta, Poliwag, Pikachu, Raticate, Erica, Magneton. I'm not even gonna say something because I don't want to butcher. War Turtle. Ooh! Okay, I dropped it, but we got our first hit. Ninetales EX. Not bad at all, bro. This is so sick.
Okay. We'll get a closer look.
Not bad, not bad. Dude, it's actually sick. How long have you had it? Gantz, Cubone, Nidorino, Executor, Graveler, Jolteon, Bellsprout, Raichu, no, and Energy. Oh, bleep, my bad, and Energy. Can't be cussing, bro.
It's all good. I'll bleep it out.
Thanks, bro. Third pack of the day. Oh, shoot. It's actually hard to like do it like this. So like y'all be like coming in the comments, bro. It ain't that easy opening with my arms extended, man. Grimer, Weedle, Zubat, Onyx, Dragonair, Seadra. I'm gonna say it. My boy Gengar. This guy showed this
Okay.
shit. My boy Gengar. Gengar, Beedrill, and an Energy. God damn. Where the hits at, gang? Where the hits at? We're praying, me and him, my boy Jacob, we hit either Charizard or Blastoise. That Blastoise art is so sick.
Yeah, I'm praying for that Charizard, that SIR.
That Charizard is what we're chasing for, man. Being on that, oh my bad, I've chopped that. Pidgey, Sandslash, yeah, I'm not even saying son. Golduck, I don't even know. Yo, here we go. That's a start right there, bro. Let's go.
Oh,
like,
it's
look
insane,
at that shit,
dude.
bro.
That
Let
is
it
insane.
go. Anything behind? Ooh,
Vaporeon.
Vaporeon,
Okay.
not bad.
That is insane.
Can I
That's
take a look at that, bro?
Pull, bro.
Let's go.
Wow, look at this.
Actually, fine.
Ooh.
All right, this is gonna be our 5th pack. Oh yeah, trash.
Awesome.
So sick, bro. Like, actually, finally I got like a Charizard line card, bro. Doodle, Tentacool, Rattata, Squirtle. We got Primeape, Pharaoh, Onyx. I don't even know. Ooh, okay, we got Aerodactyl. Got this one, but I don't have a reverse holo, so this one's sick. Ludrio and the Holo Energy Steel. My boy Jacob about to get all the good luck right now. I'm pushing all to him, man. Hopefully he get that Charizard, man. Swear to God.
That would be insane.
Execute. Clefairy. Machop. We got Porygon, Snorlax, Sandslash, Nidorino, Caterpie, Mankey, and Weezing. This one's pretty cool though, actually. And then we got an Energy.
Okay.
Let's slide it over to my boy, and he got it from here.
I did not have it from here. I forgot to hit record on the main camera, but this Ivysaur is the only thing I got anyway, so yeah, Caesar's gonna take it from here.
Tell me that, bro.
It's okay.
I thought you were, dog.
I thought I was too.
Bro.
Here we go. Number 7. We switched off. Back to Caesar.
Back to Caesar.
Back
Let's get
to
it. Let's see
Caesar.
that Charizard SIR. We got the
Need that
Charmeleon. Maybe we can get the
or
Charizard too.
Dang Blastoise, man. Where the Blastoise that like this freaking Squirtle line is actually hard to pull in this.
Yeah, it is really hard to pull. It's nice.
Magmar, Horsey, Abra, Diglett, Haunter, Hitmonlee. If they try to flee,
Hitmonlee.
Bonita,
TCG.
Magneton, yes sir, TCG right there. Chansey, we got a green energy. Alright, that's gonna be our 7-pack. Number 8. Bulbasaur, Slowpoke, Growlithe, Geodude. Man, let me not do that. We got Giovanni, a W. He's actually annoying to deal with in the game.
Oh, yeah.
Rhydon, Jigglypuff.
Bro,
Bro,
way, dude.
Bro,
No
what
way.
is happening right now, bro?
What?
What is happening right now?
Dude,
I
no
got to
way.
get Charizard, bro, right?
That's insane.
I got to
You
get
got
Charizard,
one left,
bro.
You got one left.
And then
That's
we
so
got
crazy.
Machamp, Energy, and then we got the here you go, bro. I don't really be doing this so y'all can get it.
Number 8.
Number 9.
Number 9?
Yeah,
All right,
10,
we're on
number
number 9.
12. Number 9. We're getting closer to the edge, bro. Charizard or Blastoise, come out, please. Farfetch,
You gotta finish the line, man.
Powder, Helix Fossil, Slowpoke, Gloom, Fable. We got Dugtrio, Mewtwo, Reverse.
What?
As I was talking about it, here he is, my boy Blaster. Let's go. Actually, insane card to pull.
Wow.
Let's freaking go.
No
Look at
way,
this
bro.
beautiful
Your
art,
luck
bro.
is so good.
Look at this beautiful art. Oh my god. Then we got Dugtrio. And then we got Energy. Hollow Energy.
Caesar got the God box. He's already
Number-
pulled 3.
Number
He's pulled
9.
3.
Crazy, bro. Here we go. Pidgeotto. Magmar. We got Shelder. Bellsprout. Pidgeotto. Omnis. Oh, damn. Let me not do that right now. Taurus. Magikarp. In a different set, that card is actually expensive as hell. Sandslash. Jolteon. And then my Energy Hollow. Fire.
Okay. Energy Hollow.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. Ponyta. It's Pikachu!
Go down
bottom
bottom
right
right
a
a little bit. Yeah.
Old Amber. Rapidash. Sick. Nidorina. Eradicate. Primate. Voltorb. Vaporeon. And then we got Energy. And here you go. Your number, bro. Here's your number, bro. Let me bless you up.
One.
Last pack of the day. Please give me
Is it
some
gonna have the
goddamn luck.
Charizard SIR,
Please give me
bro?
some luck. If please let it have the Charizard so I can stop buying 151, man.
Ooh, I'm hoping, man. Here we go.
Quick open! This guy's nothing. Oh, GG's. Alright, I'm gonna let that go to Jacob. I seen somebody do a quick open like that. I had to do it to troll, bro. It's hilarious.
All right, we got our final 6. Made sure to hit record this time. Hopefully I recorded that first half, bro. That would be tragic if I didn't.
So we're on our last 6 right now. Let's get it. Let's get to it.
You got what I like right now, man.
I know. Hopefully I can. What if I finish your set, bro? What if I finish your set? All right. Goldeen, Weeping Bell, Ghastly, Paris, Machoke, Dugong, Hitmonchan, Cloyster, Clefable, Mewtwo. Oh, my fault.
My boy left.
Hopefully we can finish it off strong, bro. Because all I got is that duplicate of the Ivysaur. It'd be clutch if I could hit something new, bro. It'd be really clutch. Let's get it. Please, please, please. Voltorb, Krabby, Sandshrew, Seal, Seaking, Butterfree, Lapras, Pidgeot, Golbat, Golem EX.
EX4.
I do not have that one, so that's pretty cool.
You've been pulling Golem out of this set though, like
I do
crazy.
have the other Golem EX. I just don't have the full art, so that's pretty crazy.
One right here, bro. One more layer.
All right. Let's get it, man. Coughing, Psyduck, Ekans, Cubone. Oh, I pulled 2 on accident. Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Slowpoke, Mankey, Nidoking, Leaf Energy, Hollow. Okay.
Let's keep it going. We got 3 left. 3 left, everybody. Let's get this.
It's looking real dry for me, bro. Hopefully it comes in clutch, bro. Last second. I can't believe you hit both of those, though, bro. I can't believe.
Bro, I just need the Charizard, bro.
The most expensive one out of all of them, bro.
I really need that.
But at least you filled up your binder more, bro. Filled up your binder a good amount. Alright. Grimer, Weedle, Zubat, Goldeen, Pharaoh, Onyx, Dragonair, Goldeen, Ivysaur, Chansey.
Please give my boy his luck. Like, how many packs? 2?
I got
Please
I got
give
2
my boy
left,
his
bro.
luck.
I got 2 left.
151 is insane, dude.
Yeah. Ooh, okay. I'm starting to shake a little bit. I'm getting a little bit nervous, bro. $120 is not cheap, bro. Especially when it was like 60. Like, man, that's rough. That is really rough.
Here it's rough out here on the West Coast.
Oh, yeah.
So fat.
The AZ tax, bro. Alright, we got Doduo, Tentacool, Rattata, Squirtle, Cycling Road, Scyther, Charmeleon, Butterfree, Drowsy, Articuno Hollow.
Dude, no
I'm
way.
actually, like, about to cry,
Oh
bro.
no. I'm getting rinsed right now, man. Alright. This is the last one. This is our last pack right here. Whew. Last pack look. Hopefully. 151.
Give it a kiss, man. Gotta give it a kiss. That's what I did, bro. That's what I was saying. Get that luck, man.
Oh,
Like,
mine's the
please.
same way, bro. I can't open this
Yeah,
one. It's all
uh,
stuck together. All right, maybe good luck. Hopefully. All right. Oh no. Come on, man. This got to come in clutch right now. Last pack of luck. Let's get it.
Quick open!
I can't do it. Vulpix, Magnemite, Caterpie, Eevee, Victreebel, Big Air
Please,
Balloon,
please.
Primeape, Clefairy. Oh!
Go!
And a
Back to
Zapdos
back.
EX too in the
Back
same
to
pack,
back.
bro.
Let's go, bro. Oh my
Let's get a
God.
better
Please
look
give
at
us the
this
Charizard.
one.
151. Like, please give us the Charizard, alright? That is
Dude.
some fire art, bro. That art is so fire, bro.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
I can't believe I got. At least I got the Charmander though. That
Yeah,
the last
yeah,
pack
yeah.
luck did come in. It's not a Charizard,
It's huge, bro.
but
It's huge.
it's something, bro. It's something. We'll take that. Awesome. All right. All right. So this is all the major hits we got, man. We got the Blastoise full art, the Charmander full art, the Charmeleon full art for Caesar, and the Ninetales EX. And then on my side, we got the Golem EX, Zapdos EX, another Charmander full art, and the Ivysaur full art.
If you're not going for 151, what are you doing?
What are you doing, man?